Good morning, everybody. This is Davey from the New Trader. This is Marie. Let's see what opportunities we find in this market today. Probably we will be willing to have a little bit of fun today because the market is popping up, and I would like to not miss so many opportunities. So by that I mean probably I won't be focusing too much in just one or two stocks. I'm gonna really try to surf around and see what I find. But still trading the same strategy. And let's see what we do with that. Mary, how are you doing today?
I am doing very well. Beautiful day. I held a position of BBAI on a really bad earning call yesterday, and it just went really went south. Holy cannoli!
Morning, Bloody.
Good morning, Larry. It really went south. So I'll see if I'm able to recoup a little bit there at the open with the pop, but it's going to be hands on the wheel. And I held a position in INTC. That went very well. So it's pulling back this morning, and I didn't want to lose this profit. I'll take it again at the open if I see that it looks good. And besides that, good. And you, Davey?
Yeah, pretty good too. Pretty good. I'm doing good in general. Seeing how we can figure this out. What I was going to say, I like your mentality about taking the profit you have on INTC. Like, let's say, yes, you have a big downside to in BBAI, but at the same time, it's minimizing as much as you can, by taking whatever you have.
And see if there can be a pop this morning with BBAI being so low, to just gain a little bit of that, imbalance. What a gap, a huge gap there. So let's hope we've got some people that are going to feel that they would like to buy, and that would really help me close that gap that was created overnight. When you say that the PCL is 710, and look at it this morning, you just whoa.
Yeah, it's quite interesting, I say. To be honest, I like to go long on Nvidia. I actually gonna drop off an order right there. Let's see if I'm gonna be right. I have an order to go long on NVDA. What I was going to say, that doesn't have any sizes in there. So sizes. Okay. Let's wait a little bit. I don't have to rush here, but I just think it's one of those setups that looks like if you want to go higher. You see there was heavy selling at 9. Do you know what was that, or you haven't heard?
No, that's why I was asking you. Do you know if we've seen news?
I think let's see. Probably there is news from the Fed. Yeah, we have. We have CPI, inflation rate, month to month. Everything is year to year and month to month. Core inflation rate, Red Book, monthly budget statement, that's at 2. But everything that we're Barking is gonna be having a speech at 10. And
okay.
Schmidt is gonna have it at 10:30. Then we don't have news until 2 o'clock, which is the monthly budget.
Okay.
But all the numbers came out already, and that's the pop that we are seeing here. We are basically having inflation lower than the consensus, but straight, really, the inflation rate year to year is the previous was 2.7, and the actual is 2.7 as well. So the CPI was the actual is 323, and the consensus was 323.20.
Okay.
So slightly lower, but that's actually the good news. Red Book year to year that came slightly lower, 5.7% instead of 6.5, the last. How I'm talking last month. So, but yeah, yeah, like looks like good numbers actually. To be honest, like I mean, in general, like we cannot say that those numbers are looking bad, like say bad metric. So, but yeah, let's see.
Okay.
I guess nobody wants to get fired from the Fed. So, yeah. Um, yeah, as I say, I like to go long Nvidia, but I kind of don't know exactly. Like, it's 85. The big buyer or the big no, actually the big seller is at 85. I was trying to get something like 82, 82, 30. I'm gonna aim for the 32 probably, like the 182, but there is no sizes in there. The only size I see is a 180 50, and that's way too low. So basically, if we go to 184 and we find resistance there because there is a decent seller,
So
but
you want to go long though?
I want to go long.
Okay. So the long. Remember 182.80? That was it this morning. 182. Well, if we're looking at one, is that the PCL again? 182.80. It should be no.
No, the
No, no,
PCL is
no.
exactly
So-
182.
Okay, so then we're looking at 182.75. That's pretty much, and it's building its position. If you wanted to go long, and that's wow, and it keeps building, and that's really the VWAP. So we're looking at a possible bounce from the VWAP.
I think I'm gonna wait for that because, like to be honest, I like you say 182.
182 is building.
Okay, 182, 182. I'm looking for it.
Yeah,
35
the
now.
PCL.
Plus,
182.
yeah.
I've got a 180. Yeah.
105 plus 35. Now it changed to 95.
Mm-hmm.
So I guess I can get it to 182. Let's see if we can get the 182. So 182. Like I know that 182.30 around there is a fair price, but let's try to get the 182. And yeah, that's okay there. There we
And
go.
here we go.
We are open. I know there is a big seller at 183 and there is a bigger seller at 184, but that's what we want to actually do. Like the, and I hope I don't regret this. Okay, there we go. I changed my mind and I bid the original price, which was 182.30, and I think we're gonna hold good there. So let's see if I am wrong or not. But as I say, I think it's a good price. I want you to go back up and don't come back to this thing, you know. But that's why, my guy, you are beating one. Oh no, yeah, it's okay. It's still correct. It's 10 correct. So yeah, take it easy. Like just wait for it. There's no way it's gonna shake me out unless I am kind of wrong. Or wrong, because you can be totally wrong. So yeah, there is some liquidity right there, and I could add at the 82 if I want, but like that's the price I kind of don't want it to see it breaking through. 182, there we go. I add. Let's see.
Okay.
Let's see if I'm gonna be correct. I don't want to compromise more than 82.50. I'm out. I consider myself wrong there. So I'm gonna. Did you see the 180?
No.
So really going to grab this thing. But like I don't believe it's gonna get that far. Yeah, like 180, half a thousand lot. So because he's there, I won't have a choice than to just put an order close to there, and like yeah, why he's buying so much down there?
Wow, SPY is just going kaboom. Woo! A lot of strength there.
What are you trading?
I'm reducing my risk, so Anchor. And right now BBAI. I'm reading the tape to see where I'm gonna get out. Right now what I was hoping for is happening. So very, very happy about this. Let's go, people. It's a bargain price. And you, what are you trading?
I took a little short on the Nvidia, and yeah, it's just I wanna go long.
Mm-hmm.
My
I thought
mentality
you were
is
going long.
yeah, my mentality is going long in this. I just think he wants to go lower before going higher, so
Okay.
that's why the size is even smaller, because I just want to see it going. Like if he's gonna go to my entry, well, then I reverse around there.
Okay.
If he doesn't do that, the risk is supposed to be very small. ARC, ATHR.
I was paying attention at my beautiful BBAI trade.
Mm-hmm.
And I kind of chasing a little bit here because I went in at the BCL. I would have liked to be in a little bit later, but I'm looking to see where I would add without really, really worsening my price. How's Nvidia doing?
It's doing what I missed my ad. Like I wanted to add a little bit, but like,
Okay.
I miss it. But like now it's going down. As I say, I think it's gonna go to 80, 180, yeah, 180.00. Yeah, that's Tesla. Yeah, I got my ad on BDA.
Okay.
I'm staring at it. Like if it does, I'm not letting happen what happened to BLT in PLTR. That won't happen today on me to me on Nvidia. I said for sure. That's what I was supposed to do. I got out by mistake there,
Oh no.
so it's okay. I just gonna get it back. Um, I switched my mind. That tape is no. Okay. That tape is no short.
Come on, BBAI. Wow, what a call, eh?
Come on, heart attack.
Let's go, BBAI. And look at me. Thank God I got rid of my INTC. Whoa.
Yeah.
Oh, that was sweet. So now, did you flip on NVIDIA?
No, but I am doing that, so I will be doing that
Okay.
almost immediately. Instead of waiting for it to get worse, I got out. Yes, I am flipping to the long. I'm gonna try to get it the same price I was trying to get before. So let's see if this time I can do it correctly, because I went when I have too much trouble with that. Yeah, there we go. We are getting it. We got it. No, that's exactly what I want to do. So I need to take another trade somewhere else. Walk away from Nvidia. Let it play. Now I think Nvidia wants to do what I think it wants to do. So AMD. Probably another story on AMD. Though I don't want to go counter into in the same sector. So I'm just gonna hold Nvidia, and I'm gonna hold very patiently there. I am not adding to that trade because that have been my mistake lately, including today. I already did that. I already add to Nvidia when it was going down. That tape is quite bullish right now, I think. Yes, it is quite bullish. So Yeah, I have an order to go short on PLTR. I don't know why. It's well, I know why, but doesn't mean it's correct. I have a trend line that PLTR is kind of rejecting right now, and yeah, there we go. That's the trend line here. I have an order to get some, but again, probably I sleep too much on it. So I add a little bit more to NVDA. Did you see the flush on SPY?
Wow. What about a turn, eh?
Yeah. So I'm gonna put a line on the sun here. Like, if this thing go 50 cents down, I'm gonna be out. I have a decent price on NVDA, so I don't want to see it going 50 cents against me. It's good enough. Like right now, the opening price for Nvidia is the same price than the PCL.
Okay.
So, and that is acting as a level of resistance, though I think it's a temporary thing. So, right now I have no much reasons to keep on my long. That's why I
Okay.
say I'm gonna give it 50 cents below my price. And if it goes there, I'm gonna be okay being out, because Nvidia, like this is the 1 minute, and like if I clear up here everything, you see that we are below the 200 moving average in the 1 minute,
Okay.
and we are below the 200 moving average in the 5 minute as well. So by coincidence, the moving average is the same price. So by coincidence, well, they got to be there. So like I guess I wouldn't like to be here, like even the 15. So the 15 is very close. We are talking about less than 50 cents. We have the 15, the 5, and the 1 minute moving average in NVIDIA. So if we're gonna be flushing toward the downside from there, I don't want to be there. So that's why I say I'm gonna give. I gave that 50 cents, and yeah, the tape is looking bullish. The same thing. If it's gonna be a long, it's gonna be very good. But like right now, it's going down. It's going down, and it's not looking pretty. So, as I say, I'm okay with my stop loss what it is right now. If it get me, I will just fish another trade. When I see buyers stepping in at around 82, 182, and in the worst case, 180, 150, and they did right now, but like we don't want to count on that too much, because SPY did a big flush.
Mm-hmm.
And,
Right there. So what is it going to do at that level? 638.
There we go. We are just going even lower.
638.
Yeah.
Okay, let's look at the other side on this one.
So I couldn't get what I want for PLTR, so I'm gonna try to move the price. Let's see if I can get 85, and if I get 85, I'm gonna be okay with that. There we go. I got 85 on PLTR. So NVDA going down again. Now I don't trust it. No, it's like you remember the 180 I told you, like that.
Yeah,
He's setting down very
uh-huh.
quiet right there. He's still there and he's building up.
Really?
So exactly, so this can flush another dollar before it really goes somewhere else. And there we go. That's exactly what it's doing. So
Good call.
good call by being out of it, but like at the same time,
Mhm.
I am not there anymore. So yeah, making lower low. We just broke the bottom.
Wow, SPY is just. Whew. Oh, guess where it's going? You won't believe it.
636, 37, 26.
636.90. Incroyable. Let's go.
Did you see Nvidia?
No. I bet it's low.
Yeah, it just print slow.
180.75?
Mm-hmm. I did that setup yesterday. Let's just check the. Let's see what the ADD is doing. Oh yeah. Yeah, if you see here the ADD,
Mm-hmm.
912.
It's even higher than the previous.
Yeah, like like what it have been doing is what that when it opened there, it just slowly. There is no selling minus the one that happened the fourth. There is no selling that have been staying up in there. Like there is no that buying power that have been
Mhm.
staying in there. I don't know if I can explain myself.
Yeah, yeah.
Like if you see, I put that line here. Look, every time that we are above that white line, we sink, we sink,
Mm.
we sink, and today we open a little bit too high again. So we, I am expecting it to go
Look
to
at
the
you.
200 moving average. But I guess it's opening there every time that we have any news, like relevant news, like
Mm-hmm.
today's CPI. Nvidia print 180.51 and bounce with very nice strength. I like that, and like it's a little bit how do you say that? A little bit like it looks like a elusive. I don't know if that's a word in English.
Yeah,
It is a word in English.
it is.
Yeah, and the reason for that is because it happened time after time where before the market open, when you are not able to see share sizes that make sense, you just identify where is the biggest guy. Well, the biggest guy when there was no sizes here, like the biggest of the little orders was still at 180.50, and you say like, hey, like I see that happening time after time, and like I was going to put my entry at 180.50. I don't know if in the streaming I did say it. I think I did, But yeah, that's a little bit elusive there because you say like, why a size that is not there anymore, that is not relevant, like that we don't see anymore, and that we didn't see as a relevant thing because it was below 100. It was 90 lot actually, and it's exactly the price from where it bounced.
Let's see.
It's like if you wake up early and you're looking at the tape, they will let you know at what price they're gonna be turning the boat. That's true. That's how it feels, but like that's why I say it's a little bit elusive. In Nvidia, I probably would like to reload the short, but like I'm gonna have to have good reasons or good price for me to be doing that.
Okay.
Like right now, the trend is looking. The same thing than yesterday, accelerating toward the downside, the trend. So this is suggesting that I can go short at around 82, 182, and why would I like to do that? Well, because this is it's a rejection of major point. So the fact that we didn't bounce from there is making me believe that we're gonna go even lower. Yeah, let's give a little amount of shares here. So probably we're gonna be okay with that. Yeah, the volume in the buying is getting decreased here and there. So I duplicate the order. No, what did I do? Well, I got it, but yeah, I got it at a okay price.
What's your price?
182, 181.23, and the price I was wanting to get was at 60. So
Okay.
30 cents off, but we are doing good now. I mean, we are recuperating something.
Nice.
So, but too close to the sun to not get born. That's PLTR.
Nice.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
Chala, chala. Good job, baby.
Good job, good job. As I said, just fixing my mess, but now we go lower. You see, Nvidia just right now Nvidia print 180. And you say, oh, how come did he know that it was going to get there?
And please, how did you know that it was going to get
No,
there?
not me. Like the person that put the order there. How did he know that it was going to get there? And like, to be honest, I am just reversing from there. Like, I mean, probably this is a mistake, but like, humor me. I just reverse right there. Like, that may not work, and like if it doesn't work, I kind of don't care much. But like, it should work from there.
So spinal.
80 key element here, 80. So right now, yeah, 80. Okay. AMD big tank right now. So I add a little bit more to NVDA, but I am risking 50 cents only from there.
Okay.
The reason for that, yeah, it's gonna go 79 probably. The 80s supposed to be holding good, like it didn't hold, so I averaging on a price that was about the 80.
Mm-hmm. And
It's bouncing. It's doing something interesting. It's doing what it's supposed to do, but like at the same time, it's like I can't say I feel correct about it because like it's running away from the seller as well. So I like the 80. It come back to the 80. You see, the 80 was the buyer.
mm-hmm.
So 79.80 was the buyer. Now using that buyer as a level of resistance. But there was a seller at 94, 90 something, and it's walking away from it too. So I want to see it crushing the 80 before, like, until it claim the 80s. There is no a certainty from my side. But that's what I'm expecting it to do, to crush the 80.
Okay.
And then I will consider it like, now, okay, we are going to the other direction. So PLTR right there, I am all out. That's just mitigating the risk a little bit. Like NVIDIA is gonna get me out apparently. I don't know. It's flushy, but like as I say, the 80s right now. This is the type of interaction I do want to see. But what I want to see more than that is when it goes above the 80s, like the 180, 80 cents and $180. Like I mean, the 80s, the 179.80 is where the big buyer was that I want to see it going, holding his, like meaning that his bid is catching up already above his price. And then when he's catching above his price, you have then the biggest participation being in the money, which is above 180.
Let's go.
So
Let's go.
even PLTR is bouncing back up, but PLTR was stronger than NVIDIA. So we're gonna go back to NVDA. Right now we are interacting with the 180 one more time, but like we find heavy selling right there. So but remember that the fact that we were running away from a seller that was there and we are trying to go back above him, I'm not expecting this to make a lower low. So but if we make a lower low, it for sure will get me out. So yeah, it seems to be doing that right now. So let's see. We have to be very, very patient here, and I'm not risking much in there. As I say, it's 50 cents stop loss. Oklo, still alive, Oklo. Tesla is bleeding a bit. 1%, 1.2% down right now. Nvidia really wanting to cross the 180 one more time. Let's see. The selling volume is quite heavy, so I might be wrong, but like I have to be patient. I have a okay price, as I say, and there we go. We go above 80. We are holding by a little bit, but that looking good, as I say. So this tape, I don't know if you remember, but this tape was looking good at a way higher price. So
For Nvidia.
yeah.
Yeah.
So if it was looking good right there, like right on top of there, like this selling is coming from somewhere else. So we only have to wait for it to claim it back. And yeah, I'm not expecting a SPY to go too low today. Like that was yesterday, but today SPY is not looking that. Like if it wants to stay down there. Yeah, let's take it slow. For crazy that it sounds like one of the possible prices for Nvidia by the end of the day is 185.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Let's go, Oklo. So I took a very small position in Oklo at 71.42 and working very, very well right now. I was able to add on the pullback to the VWAP, and I already took a profit at the 72.75. Now my next one was 73.50. So I'm glad about that. I was able to de-risk BBAI and add on the pullback. So right now, funny enough, BBAI, I made $32 by doing that, de-risking and adding on to it. So, well, hey, if it works, it works, right?
Yeah, yeah,
So
for sure.
let's try to make some money there. And yeah.
Yeah, WBA was something. It is something yet, you know.
No, hey, it still is something yet. You are correct.
Oklo held the VWAP quite well.
It was a long consolidation there. The spread is absolutely amazing on it. So it's just like, woohoo, brilliant. But in that kind of stock with a spread of 10 to 15, you don't go big. You really don't go big, and you get a good price. Because, whoo,
Yeah, like to me, the wildest stock I have seen spread wise is Roku.
it's who?
Roku.
Oh,
Like, let's check. I'm pretty sure you still have a like crazy bid. Like crazy spread. Let's see. Yeah, like look, 9 cents, 10 cents. 10 cents is fixed. It's fixed 10 cents.
okay. So mine is moving a little bit more crazy.
Like if you see, we check Nvidia, it's 0.01.
Yeah.
And then we go Roku, and it's looking 18 cents.
Yeah, that's mine. Okay.
That's like your...
Yeah. So mine is pretty much 9, 11, 13 now, 16, 8. So, yeah, very interesting, actually. And you can see it in the wicks, right? So,
Yeah. Ooh, okay. Watch out, buyers are legit, apparently.
okay, so
Well,
right now,
apparently no, buyers are legit.
so,
So, yeah.
yeah, so SPY right now actually is interacting not only with the open, but the opening price, but the VWAP that's right there. Both VWAPs are right there. So, wow. And how did it react to the 636.90, eh? Ay, ay, ay. That level just gonna be the bane. Like, wow. That's crazy.
Sometimes they pick the 80s, sometimes the 20.
Mm.
Now it's the 90s. Like, okay.
Okay, the feds are talking right now. And Trump as
You grab the microphone before then?
yeah, but of course, look at you, and threatened to sue JPA for the renovation and the overcost of it.
Ay, papi.
We could be having a bounce off the VWAP for SPY.
Yeah.
So it seems like Fed Barkley has said that there was no inflation. It doesn't
Inflation.
seem to be any sign of inflation.
That's part of what I see. Like when I was on vacation, that's why I say like you come back and you kind of don't know exactly where you are standing up. Like yesterday, I was clearly like the market was rangy, but then we have that little talk. I would say, oh, it's gonna go down, and the market did went down, like SPY, let's say. And today, like I have that clear feeling that today I'm not expecting it to repeat the same that it did yesterday. It's not even repeating that. It's actually like low balling the long, I will say. So it's wanting to go higher, but it's like kind of staying down for a little bit.
Okay.
Once it take off, it should take off for good. But like I mean, yeah, you stay like hooked to what the strength is or where the strength is.
Brr. One thing that's good with BBAI is no matter where I add, I better my price.
Ay, ay, ay. I don't know what I should tell, if I should say even anything about that one.
Okay, so Spy reacted very well.
Come on, Vida, go 85. Go 85. 85. The volume is quite high on the. It's 140 today, so. You good?
Fwah, fwah, fwah. Yes.
What is Tesla doing? Tanking. But it's okay, like. So
Tesla's tanking?
yeah, it is going down, but like it's the range is like just getting there. Like I'm gonna show it. Like what do I have like? Yeah, it wasn't here.
Is that a reverse head and shoulder? Very local, but
Tesla, let's see. Well, I erased everything, but like basically, like this is the hopper trend. Like I said yesterday, I was going to find resistance at 341, and like basically, like this is compressed in here. It's like a wedge like that, and then you have on the hopper. This one is wrong. And let's say if I put it there, I will have to take a new one, which is this one. And that's what I mean, like that pullback. In my consideration, that pullback shouldn't be more than 300, which is a lot already. But it can literally go to 310, 312 before proving anything. So what I want to see here is it to escape that triangle. Like you can escape it either way, like, but I'm expecting it to be along, so let's see. So I say I wanted to surf a little bit more through the different stocks. So I'm gonna be checking a couple of them, like BBAI. That was kind of brutal, and but it's back up quite a lot. Like I mean,
Mm-hmm.
they just say dump it. And BDA, and yeah, that's okay. INTC. Are you having any INTC? INTC looking good.
Mm-hmm.
Neo flush a lot too. Well, like Neo, I don't know why. Like, I don't even know why the company exists yet. Did you see American Airlines?
No.
But apparently it flushed a couple days ago. Let's see, because it wasn't. That was not the price. Or I'm wrong. Yeah, it flushed.
1160.
From the last time we looked at it, it kind of went down a lot. Today is having a day. Lucid. No. AMD.
Wow, eh? AMD, nice bounce.
Yeah. But it was weaker than Nvidia, so maybe I'm wrong in that one. Nvidia. Yeah, I'm wrong on that one. Nvidia did went even lower. So PLTR. I'm gonna reload the short on PLTR.
Wow. You want to say good one? JetBlue.
Yeah, like, well, I'm pretty sure if you check Delta, which is DAL, it's also doing similar things.
Why?
This should be news related to flying. Like, yeah, look at Delta. I actually have a line on Delta right there.
Wow.
You see, that's what I said yesterday. Like, I keep finding lines where I don't remember putting them there.
So imagine, right?
I got PLTR short.
Now, who wants to see how rangy Spy is?
Like it's still inside the range.
Mm-hmm.
Like basically a SPY. Opening range is right there. Or right there. So you break toward the bottom by a little bit, but didn't want too low. So PLTR, I can tell you if you go today, like I'm gonna put a hotkey for that. I don't have that one, but again, if you do any push that I find, I will be out. But I think that PLTR want to go to 182. No,
Do
182.
you see
I mean,
anything
like
on the
180.
tape?
No. I'm gonna check it out. Yes, 200 lot.
Okay.
But like he reject a major trend, and the volume is ramping up now in the buying, so probably I will be wrong. But yeah, like whoever sells from there was heavy. Still had like 40 cents to print above, but let's see. What has been?
Nothing. Literally nothing.
Watching water boil.
See. And you?
The thing.
Un petit peu slow.
We. Do you hear Dumbo? He said dreaming. When is March break on Canada? Like I mean, which weeks?
I thought that one is at the end of February and the other one is the beginning of March.
Because it's two? Ah,
No, one is
Ottawa.
Ontario, one is Quebec.
Yeah, that's true.
Well, one is Quebec, one is Canada.
So, in the school year. Yeah, I have to check Quebec. Quebec. March 16
Okay.
to March 20.
And this is what? Quebec?
That makes no sense.
No.
It's 4 days. March 16 to March
Yeah.
20.
Monday, 16, 17, 18, 19, 25 days.
It's only 5 days?
Yeah, it's only a week.
Okay.
Davey,
Yeah.
are we able to take a break?
Yeah, for sure. We're gonna be back in a bit. Right, we are back, and
I like that a lot around those days.
oh yeah,
Yep. Super exciting.
so I'm reconsidering here if I want to sell my Nvidia. Probably that was the best price to sell it if ever I was going to, but I think there is a lot of potential of going higher. The debate comes because I have a short on PLTR. But PLTR, as I said, PLTR did what it's supposed to be doing before, so I'm not too stressed out about that one. I'm gonna try to hold PLTR like quietly. If it doesn't work, it's gonna be okay. But Nvidia, I have to decide if I want to liquidate some or not, because Nvidia is what is the tape saying? Let's see. Yeah, Nvidia is already at the VWAP. It's the moving average. Like I know. If I am correct about what I was seeing previously, we can easily go to, I don't know, 83, 84, but and that would actually mean that the price I have is not coming to back to be retest. So Spice pumping, Spice kind of doing what I was thinking it was going to do. But it haven't good to go. It haven't like you haven't get to the checkpoint yet.
Okay, I think it's going to the checkpoint. If I'm looking at the tape, it should have enough to go to 640 right now. We'll see.
Okay.
Let's go! OMG! Talk about waiting a long time for you. Oh, was I patient? That's Oakland.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
I used to say that thing.
Jala jala.
Oh, his birthday is the 2nd of February.
I thought he had two.
Yeah, but the real one.
Okay.
Let's check that back. Oh, that's even cheaper, but by a lot. What?
For all four?
No, that's for you too.
Well, is it by a lot?
Yeah, like I see, there's like $100 here probably. Let's see for us. Ah, is this one, so it's more expensive. So it's between three. Yeah, I'm about the same. Yeah, let's see. I think what is gonna be important is everybody decide what date.
Mm-hmm.
Ay, ay, ay. Sleepy Joe.
Well, we know, right? It was an absolute crazy weekend, crazy vacation, crazy everything.
Sorry. Normally, when I gonna buy flights like that, like I put an alarm. Like you
To
put,
see the lowest price.
like Google, yeah, like Google, like really is really good at that. So like, you just say, oh, tell me when there is a discount, and it will notify you like with enough time. They say like, oh, you have 24 hours or whatever, and like, it's yeah, but they have to pick the date first. Everybody have to pick the date.
Let's go.
I'm gonna show you something funny. Two. That's Marina's house. They live in the second floor.
And why do you have the bars? Okay.
Ay, ay, ay.
Wow, it's that bad, eh?
Look at the building. This is an apartment. Look,
Everybody has
everybody
bars.
has that.
Wow. Wow.
Like I plant those plants, you know.
I remember I saw you guys, right? They were playing there with the Primus?
Mm-hmm.
See.
And this is avocado tree that we plant, but it doesn't go bigger than that.
Wow. Look at the avocado plant. What's the yellow plant?
It's like a regular flower thing. Like it's not flower, it's a decorative plant.
Okay.
Yeah. So and here you can see the colmado. I will show you where you order thing. Like this time we have a closer one here. So. You actually see the guy that
That's selling?
that bring, like you see those guys with the canasto with the basket in
Yeah,
the
yeah,
front?
yeah. They deliver
So
groceries.
this is the little thing, so you can order anything from there and they will be there in less than you are closing the phone and they are arriving.
That is so cool.
But even cooler than that, I will to show you this. If you keep going that street, I'm gonna show you this my relaxing spot when I was living in there. So you go here. Maybe we need to go out like this. Like this is the house. This is the place of. So you go here.
Oh, wow.
So there is a. Let's see. more this way. Like there is a trail for walking, and you just sit down in front of the sea.
Look at all the seats. That's the whole place.
Yeah, so very cool.
Wow. Look at that
Um,
relaxing. Imagine seeing that in Omani. Oh.
I don't know how dangerous now, but like it was okay. I even like if you were like and this is where Blas and Rita live. Like they are widening the street right now because
Oh,
there is
yeah,
a
yeah.
problem with traffic. Like this is
So everything is paved, everything is beautiful.
yeah, kind of like well around there, but yeah.
What is
So-
that? An hotel?
No, that's where they live, like Rita and Blas.
Oh,
And like let's see, I can show you Rita's plants from here. Just give me a second. It's the building that have more plants is Rita's building. 40. This one. Wait. Okay, nobody have done the inside, so we're gonna have to do it from outside. This is. You see that roof there?
mm-hmm.
That's their gallery.
Balcony.
Yeah, but that picture is not updated because they completed up to here, and it's filled up with plants everywhere. Like
Oh, the top, the roof?
yeah, like you see.
So they've got a rooftop.
Like this is originally open. Like there is no roof. It's just like a gallery.
Mm-hmm.
But they did put that roof, but then they changed the roof, and they extended up to here, and now it's another material. But it's all the way here.
But what I mean is that they have the penthouse, the top.
Yeah.
All the top?
Yeah, the whole. No, there are two penthouse per building. So they have the right side, and another person have the left side.
Very nice view.
So,
Surprising though, eh? Everybody has.
yeah, like if you see, those houses they are
Everybody.
very old. Like for example, you see, so like they have this little door like that, but like you see the window, you have to have that. It's not like a choice. You have to have it. Look,
That's crazy.
all the windows have that thing.
Even the doors.
Well, my dad, I told you he's building like a house for him, and like he's telling me that the normal wooden door that people do, he's gonna do it out of steel. It's gonna look like wood, but he's doing it out of steel. Like, and I say, why would you like to do that? And he say, well, like that, don't put those bars.
Wow. Can you see where he's going to be building?
My dad? Yes, I went with him from the map. I'm gonna show you now. Actually, that's what I'm looking for. So yeah, right now, wait for. Okay, let me see. I have to. Okay, so right here. There we go. Like, yeah, this is where they live now. Like, see, forward this way.
Where does he live?
Let's see. Wait for. I think I'm backward. Yeah, I'm backward. All those houses were built by my dad.
No, let me see.
Like that one. Those houses, like that house. That one. That one.
Oh, wow.
That one. That one.
So he built the whole street.
We moved from one house to the other, to the other. This one we didn't live on it.
But you lived in the white one?
In all of them.
So he kept building a house for him and selling it.
Yeah.
Wow. Those are nice houses.
But like in that case, he like yeah. So now, this land that you see here,
Mm-hmm.
my brother, like I told you, I have a political brother that is like he grew up with like my So for everybody, like I am still on PLTR, but I'm coming out of PLTR. The only reason why I add there is to liquidate at the price I wanted. But yeah, if he goes against me, I'm gonna kill it anyways. But like yeah, I think I can liquidate that at around 84.50, and that's what I'm waiting for. If he keep going higher, I got distracted talking, so it was okay too. But like while I was talking, like this really moved a lot, and yeah, now as I say, I think it's gonna pull back a bit more from there. So yeah, let's see.
Nice Nvidia, eh?
Yeah, Nvidia was beautiful. It happened. I actually gonna take half of Nvidia.
I was gonna say, eh? That's a beautiful trade there. So
Yeah, so let's just
let's take partials.
yeah, I'm gonna put the order specifically like the. I don't got that crappy price, so yeah, Nvidia order is in to take some partials.
So SPY is really, really pumped up.
Yeah, like the spike kind of did what I was expecting it to do. So the question is do you think it's gonna go higher? And
A double shield at 68, 641.68 and 641.70. So
okay. Yeah, like my mom was telling me that she had like 2 months that she doesn't go to where the pool is, like because of the grandma. You know she have the other grandma at home.
yeah, that's true.
So,
She's quite busy.
Yeah, she said like she haven't went there in a long time. Are you trading anything?
Yep. So I'm still with Oklo.
Mm-hmm. Pretty cool.
Really good.
Yeah.
INTC, that was my BBAI. I'm still,
Yeah.
because I haven't liquidated yet, so I'm still doing boom, 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 boom. So yeah, right. So I'm still happy that I was able to de-risk that crazy, absolutely not so loss this morning. And yeah. And you're still NVIDIA and BB. Hey, did you take your partial?
No, I have the order to take the partial. The order is in.
It's in.
Yeah, and yeah, like I don't know if I should be rushing that or not, but like probably yes. The answer to that could be a yes, but I was kind of impressed that yeah, like if you see 83, like we have about 2,000 lot at 83. Yeah, it's almost for sure that it's gonna get there, because there is a lot of continuation in the tape between those orders. But we have about 2,250 lot plus another 50 lot
Okay.
at 182.98 and 183. So relative volume right now on Nvidia, it have dropped a lot. It was 140 and right now it's 114.
And you saw that double shield at one.
It's exactly the one I mentioned, like the
Okay, okay.
the one that has the thousands.
No, the one that has 182.49 and 182.50. At that top there.
What is the size you're seeing?
It's only 50-50.
50 and 46, okay.
But with the other side.
The other
there's
size
still-
bigger by a lot.
Yeah. So 183 definitely, it seems to have good participation. Good job, Davey. Are you kidding me?
Are you
Hey,
kidding?
like, look at Oklo. No, but come on, come on.
Very cool trade.
Yeah, I'm very happy with that one. Okay.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, 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 money.
Jala, jala.
Ay, 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 let's go. Incredible incredible volatility that I absolutely.
I'm changing my mind here a bit.
For what, for what, for what?
I'm gonna be coming all out instead of partially out on NVDA.
I-183?
I'm gonna come out before.
Mm-hmm.
And the reason for that is because yes, there is a nice order at that price, but it seems to have resistance already, and despite like everybody everywhere is up a bit. So yeah, I'm coming all out on NVDA right there, 10 cents above, and that's a very good trade. And yeah, like basically, we need to have more of those days where we get out of the short completely and then go long. It's a pretty cool trade, and I'm here trying to get filled, but like I haven't got filled, so let's see if it doesn't tank right in front of my nose. So there we go, very
Here we
good.
go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, 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 money.
You don't want to limit. You say, is it going to go to 80? No, it cannot go to 80. But I said that about
Yeah,
the
almost.
75. And I said that about the 74.50. Then I said it.
Yeah, I know the feeling.
Because see, on Oklo, I said, okay, it's you know what? I went into the trade here
Mm-hmm.
thinking it was going to go to there, and I would have been pleased.
Yeah, but
But holy cannoli,
It kept-
it went literally $2 above that. And you're okay, let's do this. Let's do this.
pretty nice.
Absolutely. I am so thrilled about this. Even with my taking and adding and taking it adding, I'm still $2 in a
Here we go.
nice.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
Let's see now if PLTR doesn't smoke me. So that was a very good trade, Nvidia. Very good trade. That's like as I say. Let's see if now PLTR doesn't smoke me because it is not looking that good. So like the sellers are weak, in my opinion, but we have been holding. Though we are very close to, I mean, like to those moving averages. So it's not like it's not crazy my idea of going short here. So like yesterday, like well, of course, today because I didn't add much. Today won't be able to do what it did yesterday. That is stop me
Yeah,
out. So,
stop
like,
me up. Yeah. Start you out.
No, I just did it once. So no, not 3 times.
No, I
You
repeated.
repeated 3 times. It was just one.
Yeah, because I heard
It was good for
I
one
said
because
the
it broke
first-
me, but it was just one.
I said the first one stopped me out. And I said, no, stop us out. No, I said, stop you out. It wasn't us, it wasn't me. It was you.
But what I did yesterday, like this is the thing, and I am having the feeling right now of that. This is the point where I say, oh, you know what? But I'm good. I'm gonna add more, and that's what I did. And today I'm having the same need of I wanna add there, and
Okay.
but the difference is I won't add. I'm gonna let it go, and like it's not gonna be a big trade, but if I am correct, at least I'm gonna have the opportunity of seeing it working.
Well said.
It's like. Nvidia is pumping a little bit higher, but watch out for the 8083,
Mm-hmm.
which to be honest looks way more juicy than like as a short. It looks more juicy than PLTR because PLTR only have a couple orders at 186 and then at a 187. So PLTR doesn't have like a big block in there. Like PLTR can go higher
Okay.
theoretically. So
You think so?
yeah. So we're gonna wrap it up, Maria. Do you have like me first, you first, who first?
Oh, no, you can go.
Okay.
Let's keep the order.
So I did a couple mistakes today. I like always to begin by the mistakes like that. We get that out of the way because they are annoying. We know that. And like so, but basically, like on NVDA, I was looking for a long, and at the beginning, let's say how we did this. Don't look at Palantir. Don't look at Palantir. So I went long here, then I doubled down, then I got out. That was okay. It was not a big loss. Even if I add, I did it responsibly. So that was okay. So then I shorted, then I add to the short. Then I got out because I was like, this is long. So I got out here with a little loss. Then this part here, to be honest, I kind of don't know what I did here. So probably I went long. Yeah, I went long. I remember now. I went long here at the 200 moving average, and then I said, I don't think he's gonna go there because the guy that was at 180 here, he was flashing 1,000 lots. I said, I think he's gonna go there before going anywhere else. And effectively, so we shorted, and we shorted. No, it wasn't a lot, but like we shorted. Like we went long here, we got out here, then I shorted here, partial, all out, and then because he was the biggest guy, I say I'm gonna be looking long from here.
And you
So
did.
I looked long here.
That was beautiful.
Yeah, that was a cool trade. So
Good job though on reversing.
at the right time.
Absolutely. Not only at the
So-
right, like it just it's a lot to change our mindset, right? From long to short, and so good job. Good
Yeah, like,
presence.
Thank you for the compliment. Yeah, I
Yeah,
think.
good presence of mind there.
But like instead of giving credits to it, like I think it was like the tape was showing that it was doable. Like I mean, like right now, for example, that's why I say like the 183 here, it is looking like a very short. That's why I got out 50 cents ahead.
Okay.
I say I don't think it's gonna cross 83. Though I mean it can go for sure. Like this market is doing anything it wants. So it have been always doing whatever it wants. So. But like 83 here is unlikely. Like though I don't like, let's say it's not a financial advice. I don't know what it's gonna do, but I will be looking short at that price. So sorry. So let's see what is going to happen with that. But yeah, that was Nvidia. As I said, did good on Nvidia. Then PLTI is the one I didn't want to look at it. I need some water, so I'll be back. So PLTR was obviously a short at the open. So when I say obviously, it's like we have this, like I think it was in the 5 minute or the 15. Yeah, the 15 minute here. We had this line here. I think we had other lines too. Yeah, we took those lines from yesterday and then the pre-market here. And like I say, you know what? It doesn't look like if we want to go higher because it was. Rejecting, like this is a little rejection here, right here, like clean rejection, and then it's like yeah, that was
Strong
then-
resistance. Then it made a strong resistance.
exactly. So I say like, you know what, let's go short. So I put an order right here. I never got it. Then I put another here, like, and I got it. That was 85, 185, all the way down. So I partial. I don't know if I went all out here or what. But yeah, that was a short that works. Then I shorted again. Then I doubled down here. Like basically, this is one trade, short that works good. And this is another short that is not working good. So like right now I am like wanting to go out. But yeah, like the reason like is very close to the threshold that where I need to be out. But it's too close to this area here, so I am not freaking out because it will have to break higher highs for it to. And right now it's gonna face like this line here, so I'm not expecting to make money on this one, but I'm expecting to.
You don't want to lose.
I don't want to lose what I have there because I think I'm still correct. So like it will have to really clear this for me to say, you know what, let's be out of this. So. Yeah, that's it for today. As I say, up to now, I'm green. Not by a lot, but it's okay. Let's see how much damage that PLTR put in that little P&L. And yeah, what about you, Marie?
Okay, so, well, let's start by, like, to take a piece out of Davey, let's start by BBAI. So, BBAI, I took an overnight trade. If you remember correctly, it was $6.98. So, I took it at $6.98, and BBAI pulled back to an incredible, $4.73. So, you can imagine the P&L on that one. So, what I did is
She took that big loss, pretty much. Like that.
yeah, I took a big loss. So what I tried to do
But
is
she haven't took a big. She's
Yet.
not giving her way back. Like she actually made a big chunk back already. So
and still am,
Yeah.
right? So still good. So if I'm looking from the position that I was to the position now, I've made back about 12.
yeah, a bunch of hours.
Almost, is it 30, 35 hours? So pretty good. And we're still making some headway. So I'm really glad I didn't panic and say, sell it off. It's BBAI. BBAI should not be there, but it had really, really bad financials. I was able to better my price. So because I was able, what I did is I de-risk and then add. And so by doing that, instead of 698, right now I've got 622. A little different there, so
Yeah.
that's a big difference. Already 70
You can
cents.
probably count on you being okay today.
We'll see. We'll see. But I'm glad I didn't panic. I stayed the course. I looked at the tape. I tried to find other opportunity. So, speaking of other opportunity, let's look at the other opportunity. So, what I did is there's a couple that I did go in. I didn't lose much. So let's review those. So I saw
ACHR.
ACHR. So I saw an unbalance and one to the top, which was great. But what I was playing, and that's the 9 that I wanted actually this morning. So but I was with BBAI, it escaped. So what I did is, as soon as it crosses the PCL, PSL at 9:54, I went in. Then I added when I saw that it was going well. And what I did is I broke even on the trade when it pulled back to the anchor VWAP. If I would have stayed there, but then I calculated, you know what, Marie, you were late on the trade, you broke even, walk away from it. Yes, it could go up, but let's try to find other
You didn't want to push
opportunity.
your luck.
Yeah, let's try to find other opportunities. So I had AMC. AMC, I did go in at, where's my AMC that I went in? Because I did. It took a while for me to come out of there. Why can I not see it?
AMC.
Yeah.
Was it
That was
overnight?
my overnight.
Yeah, it was
That was
overnight.
my overnight. So AMC overnight, I took it at 298 overnight, and I got out at 297, and it did go up. It took a while, but it did go up. So, hey, I just cut my loss on that. INTC, that was an overnight that I did almost 10 hours on. I was very pleased with that. And then we've got our lovely Oklo. Like Oklo, wow. So Oklo, what I did is I took it, like I said, at 71.42. I looked at the tape. I looked at the opportunity. I looked at how the RSI was doing, and especially when you're looking at the open, there's a lot of interest, lots of volume to the buy. We know that Oklo, then when I looked at the spread was definitely high. We had a lot of action to it. And because I had a really, really good price coming in there, I was able to survive the craziness that was happening around the VWAP, as you see. So I took a lot of partials, and I was able to add and take partial and add. And for Oklo right now, it's holy crap!
Have you compared?
It's almost a 20R.
So
right?
technically, you had a pretty good day.
A very, very good day. If
I-
it wasn't for BBAI,
Yeah.
like if it wasn't for BBAI, it's an excellent day again. Another good trading day. Good control, good opportunities. Was able to identify really good levels. So yeah, I'm glad. For me, my big win today is seeing that PNL and not losing my
your
cool.
head, yeah.
Right, staying in. Hey, maybe my vacation to DR helped. Thank you.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, we took a virtual tour of Dominican Republic.
exactly. So
So
that was very, very nice. And right now, I'm still holding Oklo. I'm breaking even on it.
I have a comment on it. On
I
that
still
one.
have $1 there. Right now, you can really see the volume diminishing. The RSI is really dipping. So I'm thinking, hey, is it time to come out of Oklo? I'll have to read the tape a little closer.
Cool.
And that's it for me.
The only thing I want to make a comment for your Oklo, did you notice the similarity of Oklo and INTC charts?
Oh, no.
Yeah, it's like Oklo did it a little bit more clean, I would say.
Yeah, I agree with
Like, for
you,
example-
but very similar, though.
Yeah, like if you see, like this is the moving average here, like the 200 moving average in the 5 minutes. So we actually hold that for a little bit and like chop around, but like not for too long, like basically 1 hour, like from the open and things like that. And then we went all the way back up. Like this is very nice, push here for whoever took it. And then if we look at INTC, it's basically similar. Like I mean, INTC.
What I find is INTC right now, yeah, like when you're looking at the tape, it's supercharged. But when I'm looking at the range, it's not $1, right? So it's not even close.
Yeah, but it's 3 times lower than the price. Like I mean,
Correct, right? 3 times lower. I agree with you.
like percentage-wise, should be about similar. Which I don't know actually.
No, not even
I didn't do
close.
the math.
No.
So, but yeah. So. Very
Oklo
cool.
a little bit more volatile, but I'm glad, right? I did do on INTC was 9 hours, so that
Very
was a
nice.
good one. That was a good one.
So basically, and like now I can include Marie to the same thing because that's what she's doing today. Basically, the lesson from this week for me and for Marie, as I say, is holding on to the trades. Like I mean, holding on to the trades where you still consider your idea correct. Like for example, and like of course, like there is a realistic approach to that. Like what I mean, for example, if I will be like shorting, let's say, if I am short on Nvidia from here, and like you have moved that many dollar against me, like there is not much reality in there. Like yes, I can come back and break even, but like I was wrong for the whole move. So, but what I'm trying to say here is like once, like if you see I got out right here and look at what it's doing. Like now this is computerized. Like I mean this is computing selling here, probably taking profit or whatever. I'm not saying that it's a short, but what I'm saying, let's say imagine that you are short on Nvidia here, and you are taking a little bit of heat here. That shouldn't be able to stop you out. At least with my experience lately, like I mean. There are trades that we want to take very, very tight, and there are other trades that we have to let them express themselves. So, like the same with PLDR, for example. Like,
And the art is to identifying those, right?
yeah, exactly. Like, something that I am not good at, and that I am like, probably I'm good, but like I have psychological resistance to that.
Okay.
What I'm saying is like. Is to that flexibility. Like, when do I want to risk 50 cents and when do I want to risk only 10 cents? So, like, let's say in the same stock, like, which is that day or that moment where you have to really use another type of setup, and like that's something that I have to go get better at, and like we are definitely working on that. But yeah, pretty cool thing. So let's see how we end the week. So anything else?
No.
That's it. Okay. So I hope everybody have a good day. We're gonna be here tomorrow, and we will see you then. So bye.
Bye.
Oh, the streaming doesn't want to stop.